ahead and show you guys how it works. You see, alright. I don't know if you guys see it moving. See, the thing is straight right now. Boom. It's right there. Doors will not close. See that? See that? Now, I'm gonna pull it. You see this spring move? Alright. Now check that out. Now check this out. Now check while the door's closed. Yeah, that was a headache at first. But later on, I'm planning on upgrade it. Maybe put something else back there. Put something more efficient. But for now, it works. And now I'm ready to install the actuators so the doors can go up and down automatically. Thank you guys. I will be posting another video later on how to work with the actuator and to get the doors. Also, I'm gonna be installing some poppers. That way, once I pop the doors open, they automatically just pull all the way out. And let's do it again. Let's see. Pop. Pop. See that? This is spring. Cheap ones. May plan on getting some different ones. Something more strong. A little stronger than that. For now, that is it. Modifications. I gotta go ahead and reinforce this whole fence. This body right here. I gotta reinforce all that. But check it out. This is how it works. Safety. Doors going up. Boom. Doors are up. See? Boom, boom. Now I have to motorize it. Check it out. I'm bringing the doors down. Safety still there. The doors won't close. You see that? Now pull this.